Tomorrow is baby of the house birthday, Emmanuel. He will turn 8 tomorrow. So this is me making his birthday cake, vanilla cake. So let's do that. First, I'll measure in half cup of melted butter. Measure half cup of sugar. Now I'm gonna use my hand whisk. This is straightforward vanilla cake. You can even close your eyes and get it done. Whisk, 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 whisk. Until it becomes like this. Yes, I'll crack in 5 eggs, one at a time. Crack and whisk, one at a time. Don't do it all at once. If you are not sure of your eggs, make sure you crack it separate before you add in your bowl. I just cracked in 5 eggs here. Now I'm going to add my vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon, like so. Now I'm going to set the wet ingredients aside and then sieve my flour. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1, 2. Sieve it. 1 tablespoon of baking powder, like so, and a pinch of salt, just a pinch, like that. Sieve that in. Now it's time to combine the dry and the wet ingredients together. That's it. Now once that is done, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix until well combined. Now scrape the sides and mix properly, like so, and it's ready. Now I'm going to grease my pan with some butter. You guys, you see, this cake is easy peasy. Doesn't take time, straightforward, and you get that done. Now I'm going to transfer in my pan. Scrape the sides to get all the batter. This is as easy as ABC. Now I'm going to tap it like this and set aside. I'm going to do the same measurement with this one before transferring in the oven. All done. Now I'm going to transfer in my preheated oven and bake until dawn. Let's check on the cake. You guys, Look at that. Beautifully baked. Didn't burn at all. So now I'm going to set it aside and do other things. Tomorrow I will decorate it and I'm going to carry you guys along. Simple decoration. Simple vanilla cake for birthdays. You guys, this is me decorating the cake. I started before I remember that I told you guys that I'm going to show you the decorating process. This is very simple. Just cream decoration, just ordinary cream, whipped cream decoration. So this is how I do it, and it always comes out really nice. You guys, this is the cake after decoration. You can play around with it and it's okay. Look at that. It looks so good, isn't it?
Yeah.